Hey there everyone, it's Liesl for Money Done Right, and today I'm here to talk to you about Opinion Outpost, an online survey site that has some weaknesses but will provide you with some extra cash.
Woo!
Do you like extra cash? Then make sure you check out our massive survey site review article by clicking the link below, where you can get our in-depth take on dozens of survey sites, rated from A+ to F. So, to put together this review, Money Done Right founder Logan Alex spent 85 minutes taking surveys on Opinion Outpost. And closer to the end of this video, we'll get into all the juicy details of exactly how much money Logan made in exchange for those 85 minutes, what his hourly rate came out to be, and what his survey qualification rate was. But before we get into all those numbers that you're definitely gonna wanna stick around for, we're gonna take a deep dive into Opinion Outpost features and lack thereof, as well as its pros and cons. So, first off, let me just say, no one is gonna get rich taking surveys. But think about it, you're already online constantly, so why not make a few extra bucks while doing so?
Woo!
You can even take surveys on your phone while watching TV, or while on the bus, or getting a massage. That last one sounds good.
Oh God, no!
That said, not all survey sites are created equal, so let's get into our Opinion Outpost review so you can decide if it's right for you. That rhymed. So, who is Opinion Outpost? Well, they're backed by Survey Sampling International, a Connecticut-based market research organization. They've been around since 1977, so they're a trusted company with a long history of reputability. Clients pay Opinion Outpost to collect audience information. Opinion Outpost then gets people to take surveys by offering rewards in exchange for their time.
Woo!
If you live in the US and are 18 years or older, you can create a totally free account just by entering your gender, name, and email address. After clicking join for free, you'll receive an email that'll invite you to the site and verify your email address. Pro tip, if you're planning to withdraw points via PayPal, make sure you sign up with the email associated with your PayPal account. Now you'll enter some additional info such as your location and age, the people in your household, and so on to start qualifying for surveys.
Woo!
And that's it. Opinion Outpost will send you an email when there's a new survey you might qualify for. If you respond, you'll take a short screener to make sure that you actually do qualify. And if you do, you'll then take the entire survey and earn rewards. Now, if you don't fit the criteria, you won't receive any points. But if this happens, you will get a great perk, which I will tell you about a bit later. Opinion Outpost checks your answers to make sure you're giving consistent, reasonable ones. Your account may be removed if you don't, so play nice and don't do it, kids. So, let's talk rewards. Yay! After you complete a survey, you'll receive the predetermined number of points. You'll then be able to redeem those points. You can redeem a minimum of $10 through PayPal, a minimum of $5 for an Amazon gift card, and a minimum of 50 cents if you'd like to donate your earnings to the American Red Cross. If you use your points for gift cards, you should receive your reward within 1 to 3 days. PayPal rewards may take slightly longer, but not more than a week. You can view your available rewards at any time. One note, right after you sign up, Opinion Outpost will place a 72-hour holding period on your rewards. You can earn points, but you won't be able to redeem them until the 3 days are over. So, now let's talk Opinion Outpost pros and cons. First, the pros. Number 1. A truly awesome thing about Opinion Outpost is that they don't send out email spam like many others do, trying to get you to sign up for random magazine subscriptions, weight loss pills, and other products you probably don't want. Thankfully, Opinion Outpost does not do this. Number 2, with some platforms, you need $20 or more before you can redeem rewards, but Opinion Outpost requires only a few dollars. Number 3, while some platforms restrict your rewards to gift cards, Opinion Outpost will pay you in cash via PayPal. PayPal charges a small fee, but it also offers more flexibility, and you can transfer your PayPal balance right into your bank account. Opinion Outpost also lets you use your points to buy entries in sweepstakes. This has a high potential payout, though there's also the chance you'll lose your points. The website runs a quarterly drawing for $10,000, a much larger amount than is available with most other platforms. Number 4, Opinion Outpost shows the points you'll earn along with the expected time to finish each survey. This helps you avoid spending too much time on surveys that only offer a few points. Most surveys take around 15 minutes, although some are shorter or longer. Number 5. Okay, remember that perk I mentioned earlier for when you take the short screener survey but you don't end up qualifying? This is it! If that happens, Opinion Outpost will instantly give you an entry in the $10,000 drawing every time you're disqualified. So this makes screeners feel like a much more valuable use of time than on the other sites. Number 6, many survey sites only offer points in exchange for taking surveys. Opinion Outpost offers an extra 5 points for every referral. Now, this might not sound like much, but it will add up significantly. You're limited to rewards for 10 referrals, but you should easily be able to hit that number between your friends, your family, and your social media contacts. New accounts will count as a referral only if they sign up with your referral link. So make sure that your contacts use your link rather than going directly to the website. Number 7, some survey sites make you wait for days or even weeks for your rewards, but Opinion Outpost will send your gift card within 24 hours of redemption, and receiving PayPal rewards won't take more than a week. Number 8, this is a really great one. In lieu of redeeming your points for cash or gift cards, you can donate them to charity with a minimum of only 5 points. And now, Opinion Outpost comes. Opinion Outpost is entirely legitimate, but there are some issues that you should be aware of before you decide to sign up. Number 1, when Logan was testing Opinion Outpost, he had a few hiccups when it came to redeeming rewards. For example, the lowest payout that he felt was worth it was 50 points for a $5 Amazon gift card. However, once he hit 49 points, Opinion Outpost told him that no more surveys were available, but he might be able to find more by updating his profile. That didn't work. He checked back a few hours later and still no new surveys. They were available the next day, and he was able to reach the 50-point minimum. Now, while it could have been entirely coincidental, we can't help but cynically wonder if Opinion Outpost might have purposefully left Logan hanging at 49 points in the hopes that he wouldn't log on again to check for more surveys to hit the 50-point minimum for an Amazon gift card. Cute. Also, when Logan actually redeemed his points for an Amazon gift card, he didn't get an email or anything confirming his redemption. A few days later, he logged back into Opinion Outpost, and the site said the claim status failed without any explanation whatsoever. Logan reached out to Opinion Outpost support for help, and they were responsive and said it was a glitch in their system, and they awarded Logan his Amazon gift card. We're gonna take their word for it that it was just a system glitch, but again, this is just something that gives us a bit of pause about Opinion Outpost. That said, Logan did eventually get his Amazon gift card from them. Number 2, at the end of this video, we'll reveal exactly how much Logan made per hour taking surveys on Opinion Outpost. But here's a teaser. It's less than minimum wage. So if you do sign up, go in with the understanding that survey sites are never gonna make you rich, but the points you can earn can still be a fun and profitable way to pass your free time. Number 3, survey availability is highly unpredictable as different demographics are in demand at different times. You could qualify for several surveys within a few days, then not receive any invitations for a week or longer. Number 4, American users can earn rewards, but unfortunately there isn't support for other countries. Many sites do offer surveys in 20 or more countries, so if you can't register for Opinion Outpost, check out others on our list to see which are supported where you live. Number 5, Opinion Outpost currently limits users to just 50 points / $5 in referral benefits, while some platforms provide unlimited referral rewards. If you don't have many referrals, then this limit won't be an issue, but if you do have a large audience, other sites might be a better fit. Number 6, Opinion Outpost's website is outdated and clunky compared to the competition, and they also don't offer a mobile app, though their surveys are mobile friendly, so you can take them on your phone. And now, the juicy details I promised earlier about how much we actually made while taking surveys on Opinion Outpost. So, like we said, Money Done Right founder Logan Alex spent 85 minutes taking surveys on Opinion Outpost, and here's what he made. Overall, Logan made $5.20, which he redeemed for an Amazon gift card since the PayPal cash out minimum was set higher at $10 as opposed to the minimum Amazon payout of $5. His hourly rate came out to $3.67. He attempted 20 surveys. Of these, he qualified for and completed 7. So his qualification rate was 35%. Most of the 13 surveys that he didn't qualify for let him know this within the first minute, but there were 2 surveys that each took 4 minutes before letting him know. Excluding surveys that he didn't qualify for, he spent 63 minutes taking them. This means that his hourly rate was $4.95 when taking surveys he actually qualified for. So, what's the bottom line? If you want to earn a bit of extra cash in your spare time, Opinion Outpost is a good place to start. It allows you to redeem your points for cash or gift cards and offers reasonable, though sub-minimum wage, payouts for relatively short surveys. However, their poor web design and lack of a mobile app does make it feel a little outdated, and we did have some frustrating experiences when it came to cashing out for an Amazon gift card. So, that's our Money Done Right Opinion Outpost review. But before I go, have you tried Opinion Outpost? Do you have any questions, or do you have any other survey sites you'd like us to review? If so, let us know in the comments section below. We want to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to Money Done Right right here on YouTube, so you'll be notified every time we upload a new video that'll help you save and earn money. Thanks for watching. Now go get serving.